Okay, today is March 14th, Sunday, day before market opens. Um, so here's my updated analysis. So yesterday, I'm sorry, not yesterday, the day before when I missed out on the 100 pips was because I see what I exactly what I did wrong. Was because as you can see, the lower high, when it broke the structure here, the lower high was up here. So what I needed to do was draw my fib. I was drawing my fib from here, not from here. So when I did that here, you can see, look, clearly at the 618. And there's a 4 hour zone right at that spot as well. Pretty sure, actually, I think it actually might be this one. And those are my complements that I use to take trades. So that's where I messed up. I didn't stay focused with sticking to my plan as far as it's a sell, don't look for buys, and I broke my rule. But that's psychology is part of it. Anyways, so coming up for Monday morning, what I'm seeing here, we had this crazy push up, making breaking this lower high and making a higher high. Why am I saying this is a lower high? Because it came down here, it made a lower low, lower high, lower low, and then broke this to make a higher high. Actually, yeah, scratch that. Make a higher high. So came down here and didn't break this one. So this is a higher low, and this made a higher high. So I mean, this is pretty easy setup. So we have confluence, which this is exactly what I look for. Is that I don't know if it's gonna, the top will be up or the bottom, but we'll see when the session starts and when it's about to be a trade. But we can see it coming down here into this 4 hour zone, and we have a 38.2 confluence. So looking to get an entry here during Asian London session. Now, as far as targets, this may sound wild, but um, generally I look for which area has confluence with the structure. And right now, depending on, like I said, I don't know where the top and bottom exactly for this move is yet, but I'm looking for this area as potentially being a target. Now, this is a trade that I'm probably gonna hold from Monday till Tuesday, and then probably get out early Wednesday morning. Reason being is that because this is only a day two, so we have day threes are generally the big push, and then we're gonna see Tuesday morning if it's gonna hit one of these and see if it's actually gonna be a continuation. If it's a continuation, then yeah, I'm definitely holding it till it gets up here, right? And then I monitor it on New York session to see if it's breaks a 30-minute on for a sell, and that'll be a point to get out. But yeah, so that's in essence what I'm looking at. Another reason I'm saying that is because if you look in the higher time frames, um, we had look at this crazy push up, right? Um, it didn't break this high. Did it actually? Could be wrong. No, it didn't break this high. But it's lower low, lower high, it's going up. And then this one, as you can see, when we went to the 4 hour, it actually had this is all bullish. I don't see nothing that says bearish, right? So the probability of it coming up to this range is very high because we have this daily zone and this daily zone. I think we may get a rejection on this daily zone, but that's what I'm seeing right now. We just gotta wait and see what happens.